Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to back up an iPhone to iCloud. All right, I'm going to be showing you two ways in this video. The first option is automatic backup, and the second one is manual backup. So you just got to find your settings app right here. Tap on it. Now tap on your specific Apple account or Apple ID or iCloud. Tap. And then once that's done, make sure that your account is already verified. If you want to know how to verify your account, we have a separate video for that. Got to check it out on the channel, okay? That is, if you only have the big verify button right here. If you don't have it, you have your iCloud available right here. So I just got to tap on iCloud, okay? I thought once that's done, as you can see here, we have the big iCloud backup section, okay? As you can see here, mine is already turned on. Now, if yours is turned off, let's say it says turned off right here, okay? So what you'll do basically is just enable this toggle. And this one automatically backs up your iPhone so you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. Now, if you want to know how to manage these cloud backups, okay, you got to check our channel out. We have a ton of iCloud tutorials, okay? So once that's done, actually, you're good to go. Just make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi, plugged in into a power source, and your screen is locked, and the automatic backup right here will just move by itself, okay? So the second option, we have the manual backup. So as you can see here, when we turned on our automatic backup, we have the manual backup right here, okay? That says backup now. Now just make sure that you keep your phone connected to a Wi-Fi until the progress bar completes. So tap on backup now right here. As you can see, we have this progress bar. All right. It displays the timestamp of your latest backup. So just wait for it. And then once that's done, you're actually good to go. Now, when you go head over to the settings section again, once more right here under iCloud, you can go ahead and tap on under saved to iCloud, tap on see all right here. Now you could choose to back up whatever you want from here. For example, you wanted to back up your iCloud photos, your drive, your mail, messages. Go ahead and enable it if you want to. But if you're just using the free backup storage right here, you'll only have 5 gigabytes of storage. So do keep that in mind. And if you want to upgrade, tap on this upgrade to iCloud Plus right here. Okay? And that's how simple it is to back up an iPhone to iCloud. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.